Hello, I'm glad that you are able to join me today to view this beautiful home located in the community of Bridgeland. Now, Bridgeland is located in Cypress, Texas, and is said to be one of the top communities in the Houston metropolitan area. This home is built by Perry. The model is called the 3395W, which is also the square footage of the home. This 5 bedroom, 3 bathroom home was listed at the $754,000 range. And as you know, it is almost the end of the year. Builders are trying to get rid of their inventory, and the price has dropped to the low $700,000 range. So it's always a good time to buy, and you're able to negotiate with builders. Now, if you didn't know, Bridgeland is going to be zoned to three different schools districts. Those three districts are going to be Waller ISD, Cy-Fair ISD, and Katy ISD will be coming soon. So you will need to make sure you know which ISD your children will be zoned to if you're moving to a Pacific area for a Pacific school. The 3395 will be zoned to Waller ISD. The schools will be Robert Rhodes Elementary, Waller Junior High School, and Waller High School. If you would like to view additional communities in the Houston metropolitan area, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly videos. Also, if you don't know who I am, my name is Linda Blue. I am your new home consultant, helping you create the ultimate blueprint for all of your real estate needs. Enjoy the rest of this tour again and have a wonderful and blessed day. Go ahead and sit back and enjoy this tour and let me know what you think in the comment section below. Well, hello. Hello, I'm glad you're able to. Hello, welcome back. I am so happy that you were able to join me today. Today we are in the community of Bridgeland, which is located. Well, hello. Hello, I'm glad you're able to. Hello, welcome back. I am so happy that you were able to join me today. Today we are in the community of Bridgeland, which is located in Cypress, Texas. Now, this home that we're currently viewing is built by Perry Home. Shit, I didn't even do the other stuff. Go back to the first part of the video.